Hello, my name is Max, and today I'm going to talk about APIs, how they look like, their usage, and I will also talk a little bit about MongoDB, which I use for my example. So let's start. First of all, what is API? API is a software that allows two applications to talk to each other. The developers usually create it on the server side and allow clients to talk to it. So they kind of enter some data and they're getting the result after, which is great. REST is kind of determines how the API looks like. JSON is the format for sending and requiring data through REST API, and Postman is a popular API client that makes it easier to work with API. So now we kind of know all the names up here, and let's kind of see the example, right? So in my example, I used MongoDB, so the endpoint was taken from the MongoDB website. I used post method to post data to the database. Let's just take a look how it looks like. It's the most interesting part about that. Oh, and the header is JSON, is the type of our data. So the data. So how does the data looks like? In my application, I'm trying to collect data about board games. So the board games have title, have publisher, have genre, amount of players which can play it, and it have its unique ID for the database. So after the user entered data, it will look more like that. So it can be Catan, Cosmos, German style strategy, minimum 2 players, maximum 8 players. I'm actually not sure about maximum. It can be more probably. Anyway, let's see how the website itself looks like, right? So here's my small little website. It's called Game Closet. Um, so it can change the style, which is kind of neat. Oh, whoops. It can change style, different coloring, whatever you like. Yeah. Anyway, you can. So that's how it looks like. Then you can add the game. To add the game. So let's just try to add the game up here. Um, what Catan? Give me a second. Catan, Cosmos, genre. Just put strategy. Minimum players is 2 and maximum players is 8. Put in the closet. Awesome. So let's view the closet now. Boom. So we can see our game up here. Catan, Cosmos, strategy, players 2 to 8. I know this looks kind of weird, but if you press up here, it will delete the information from database. Let's just do it right now. Oop. Done. Delete. And let's just add some more games just to check how it looks like. What if we'll add 2 games? Oof. Interesting. Okay, 1 game. And the second, the second game, genre, and 10. Okay, and let's see our closet now. So we have 2 games up here. The first one we added, the second one we added, and now I want to delete them because I made a mistake when I was typing. Delete. Awesome. So I used API to connect to MongoDB to store data, and then I used post to post data up there and get to get data from there. And that's kind of it. Thank you so much for watching.